All right, people. Here's the deal. I'm sorry I missed today. Had to do with driving for 18 hours and nasty traffic, and I did not get to bed till 5 o'clock this morning, which is why I extended one more day to my, I have to call it vacation. Today wasn't vacation. Today I was um, sleeping until noon and trying to get my act back together. So apologize for that, but the room will be officially open. Let's see, tomorrow is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then the market's closed on Friday. So the funny part is, you all heard of a MOPI trade, right? MOPI, MOPI, Mike's out, pile in. Um, these are the 4 days I missed. It's kind of funny if you think about it. Straight up from down here, it ripped to all time high. So anyway, impressive strength in this buy. It did it on lower volume than back here too. So anyway, I had an issue because the scanning software, I should say screening software I use, and this is the software I've been using like since 2004, where I look at a bunch of charts, but I've got my parameters set on there. I'm really good at using the software and really used to it. I can go back and look at happened what on any specific day too, which a lot of your screening software, you log in and it shows you what happened today, right, or the last trading day, and you can find unusual volume and stuff like that on the last trading day, but a lot of them do not allow you to pick a day, and that's crucial if you want to screen and day trade like I do, because we need to go back and look at what happened yesterday, then what happened the day before, and so on and so on, so you can kind of find the in-play stocks from the last week or two. So I'm a little bit encumbered by that because it's down, and it looks like it was down the whole week I was off. So I had to literally peruse Twitter, look at a bunch of trader accounts, and see what people were trading last week and today and so on. Well, today I could use trade ideas to find what was high volume today and so on. But anyway, long story short, I was a little bit hindered, I should say, trying to go back and look at the last several days. So my list is probably shorter than it would normally be, not as thorough as it would normally be. And then add to that, even though the market's been ripping to all-time highs, it took 4 days, the last 4 days to do it. Keep in mind, we are in a holiday week sandwiched between Christmas and New Year's. So things are probably not all that active. And I tried to go back and look at charts, and even things that are moving really aren't getting a ton of follow through. It looks like I missed some nice ones like SOPA and stuff like that while I was off. But anyway, I'm still on the light trading. I'm not that into it, so to speak, until till the new year, just because we're in that holiday period. So I don't expect much tomorrow, but I will be there running the chat room. And here's the list of things. Here's a list of stocks that are kind of interesting to me. SPRB, which ripped about 6 sessions ago, chopped around for a little bit and tried to curl back up today before closing well off its highs, but kind of a nice looking daily chart that it looks like it might have some activity this week. So definitely gonna have it on a chart. AVCT had a nice pop back here to over 3, put in a lower high a few days ago at 258, and then today kind of broke that decent close. So I don't love this chart because the daily range on it's not so great, but anyway, we will watch it. SOPA, I talked about that. It looks like some of y'all in chat room nailed this. I saw some Twitter posts, so nice job there. Now we've got, pulled back to the 20-day after this really nice rip, so I am going to put this one on watch. I'm a big fan, as you know, of watching the recent high flyers. RELI had the big gap up back here, but sold off for a few days, starting to curl back up. Still bag holder city from this big volume day back here, so that makes me like it a lot less, but going to keep an eye on it. FTFT. Not sure what popped this one today, closing well off its highs, but really good volume, so I want to keep an eye on that one. CODX. Breaking above the last couple months worth of trading today on strong volume. We'll see if it gets a follow-through day tomorrow. It's a little bit extended in the short term, though. ENSC had a nice gap up here, pulled back, went to new highs. When I say new highs, I mean new recent highs a couple days ago, but sold off and then gapped down, sold off again, kind of back down to the 8-day. So it's had some really strong moves. So I'm going to put that one on watch. And then lastly, BFRI still seems to be in play. You look like it gapped up last week and was pretty strong. Kind of an ugly day today, but I'm going to put it on long watch for tomorrow. That's it. Again, not a big list. as the week goes on, I'll have more to choose from, and hopefully the list will get a little better. But keep in mind, holiday trading, low volume. Don't get overly aggressive in this environment. That's it. I'm done battling. I apologize again for not being there today, but I'm back now, and looking forward to seeing you all in the morning. All right, have a good night.